We're going to talk about service products, and we're going to hear from Satya, our technical manager for East
Dear
Asia.
honorable guests, my name is Satya and I am the technical manager in NIDAC Control Techniques for East Asia Zone within Asia Pacific region excluding China. I am currently based in Singapore and I have been with the company for about 2 years. I would like to thank you for joining us in our Ignite 2020 digital event. Today, I will be sharing about our services that we provide along with our drives and drive solutions. We believe that a great product comes with a strong support from the manufacturer. These services are designed and offered to ensure optimal performance and satisfaction working with our drive before and after. Here, I wish all of you to stay safe throughout these difficult times. Let's stay safe, let's stay positive. Thank you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I've got you loud and clear.
So hello and welcome to all who have joined us today. I'm taking over from Captain Ron since you have already been on board the TT flight. So I'd like to introduce you to the services that we offer along with our drives and drive solutions. So this is what you can expect as add-on services besides the drives themselves. So in NIDAC Control Techniques, we have a wide range of products and we have just introduced a few more today. So it could look like overwhelming, but worry not, the service team is here to help. So a quick look at the services that we have with NIDAC Control Techniques, but these are not limited. The reason I have said it's not limited is because the market is always evolving and we intend to keep up the market demand and not limit ourselves. So we have CT Prevent, CT Support, CT Expert, CT Fix, CT Spares, CT Extend, and CT Solutions. So have a look at the CT Prevent. This, by its name, is to prevent drive from failing by providing maintenance support. So as you may have noticed, the Commander C comes with a 5-year warranty. This means we, as a manufacturer, have the confidence that the drive will not fail for at least 5 years. But besides this drive's own robustness, there are other factors that determine the drive's lifetime. A periodic maintenance carried out on the drives ensures that the drive is operating in an environment recommended by the factory. So the CT Prevent brings together the following features as a package to the benefit of the end user of the drive. 24/7 site support. We would provide a 24/7 site support to troubleshoot and rectify faults on drive if any. This reduces the downtime and minimizes the loss of production if there is any issue with the drive or maybe even in the system. Spare drives on standby. So we keep a whole drive in standby for immediate change of a faulty drive. Biannual preventive maintenance. We would provide maintenance services biannually. This would align with the plant's shutdown timings. So we could do the maintenance of the drives. Spare parts readily available. So this ensures the repairs could be done on site without having to wait for parts from the factory. Warranty for site repairs. So all of these site repairs that we do will come with a warranty throughout the contract period that we provide, or up to 6 months from the end of contract. We provide commissioning trainings. We would provide these trainings to plant engineers so that they are trained and refreshed on commissioning of the drives. So this could also retain knowledge base to the factory or the plant, as because you may have engineers who leave the company and so on. So this ensures that the knowledge is retained within the company. So a total of 2 8-hour sessions would be provided. So these, of course, are packaged according to the customer's needs. So no single maintenance contract would be similar because you have different drives and different applications. Next, we look at the CT support. We have a team of application experts to support our customers to use our drives. The support is categorized into 4 categories. We take technical queries from the customers. These queries could range from understanding the drive features to application-specific questions. We also provide technical offer, where we would help to decide on the drive or drive solution that is required for particular solutions or particular application. So once you have our drive in your hand, we also provide commissioning support of the drive. We have been hearing from from my colleagues that the drives are quite easy to commission, but also we do help our customers to do so. So along with commissioning of the drive, we also support troubleshoot if there is any issues after the drive has been running for a period of time. So this is to make sure our drive is doing its job as we promised. If it's not, we help you to make sure it is. Of course, we make sure you are comfortable using our drive as much as possible with CT support. Besides supporting you with our drives, with our expertise, we also help you to become our drive experts. We are the drive specialists, as we have been hearing from our president. So this is done through our CT expert program, which is a training program that provides knowledge on our drives, optimizing the flexibility of our drives. CT expert would aim to be a platform to train your new engineers or even current engineers. So with these current situations with the pandemic events, the CT expert went on generating short live webinars to train customers on industry-based applications along with the introduction of our drives. So here we have 3 levels of different trainings. So we have drive novice, which will introduce you to drive concepts, what is a drive and so on. So product introduction would be introducing our product that would align with your applications, basics of drive setup, how to set up the drives, connect software, to familiarize with the software so that you can do the commissioning on your own. Of course, we do support on a case-by-case applications. We have a drive intermediate level, which allows you to explore the advanced parameters that we have in our drives, different operation modes that we have in our drives, option modules which you can use for communication, for extension of I/O, for additional processing power. We have CT scope software, which allows you to troubleshoot or commission, keep a record of how the drive has been performing at any given time. And we have application experts. This would be application specific training, for example, for elevator drives. That would be quite different from other drives. PLC integration with Connect. So you may have a specific PLC that you need to integrate with our drive. So we would help you to understand how to get it integrated. We also have a machine control studio introduction. This is basically using our onboard PLC in our drives. Next, we have CT fix and CT spares. So this is basically to fix if there is any faulty drive. Fixing means we repair. We have regional service centers in each zone in Asia Pacific, excluding China, of course, namely Australia Service Center for Pacific Zone. We have India Service Center for South Asia Zone. We have Korea Service Center for North Asia Zone. We have Singapore and Thailand Service Centers for East Asia Zone. With these repair centers, if there is any faulty drive in the APAC region, the repair of the drive is done by the nearest service center rather than sending the drive back to the factory or to the country where the drive was bought from. So let's say we have a drive that was bought in Australia, but it has been commissioned in Indonesia. So we have Indonesia center supporting the, we have Singapore center to support the repair. Okay. So I just mentioned we have Indonesia center, so I'll come back to that in the next slide. So we had said we have a Singapore service center and Thailand service center for East Asia. For example, we have a drive that was bought from Australia, but it has been commissioned in Indonesia. We have localized repair centers in Indonesia to support service needs. So this is basically to enhance our presence locally, so we have a larger footprint so that we can provide an optimized version of our service. So these localized repair centers, along with our regional centers, they are audited to the factory standards, so they do the repairs according to the factory centers, and they are done, they are audited annually. So this setup would provide us a faster response of repair without having to ship the drive to other countries. So shipping drives with current pandemic situation, we know how difficult it can get. So having the localized repair centers actually saves a lot of cost and saves a lot of time in getting the drives running, reduces the downtime substantially. We have a CT Extend, which refers to the extension of drive warranty and also our product life cycle. So as you may have known, again, I'm going to talk about Commander C, which comes with a 5-year warranty. The service centers in the region will support on these warranty claims. So giving out a warranty is one thing, and making sure we can honor the warranty is another. So we have the regional support and also have localized repair centers to ensure the warranties are claimable and we could service and honor those warranties. We also have extended warranty for other drives that we offer, up to additional of 3 years. And for end-of-life products such as Unidrive SP, Commander SK, which you have may seen in the field, we provide retrofit support so that we can have the latest generation of drive replacing those drives to ensure your production line is still running with our support. Next, we have CT solution. Typically, when customers have drive needs, our drive centers would take queries and offer a drive or drive solution for a given application. So the customer would configure the drive according to their need, and they may require site commissioning from our support team. It's maybe case. But with CT solution, we work with our customers who have specialized application for their business. So it's a common application for their particular business. So we help them to configure the drive with the help of onboard PLC functionality so that they can have a plug and play solution with minimal setup from their part. So they'll have a simple instruction which they can use to set up the drive quickly instead of having to set it up every other time, because this is going to be the same application for their business. So we help them to come up with a solution that they can use to enhance their setup. Okay, so this would help to use our key features to provide them a market edge or a competitive edge to secure and enhance their business. So here we have the summary of the services. We have a CT support, CT expert, CT demo in a pre-sales phase. So we didn't discuss about CT demo. This is basically providing demo kits for customers to get trained on our drive. So these services would allow customers to understand and use our drive without having to really invest. So CT demo is we have demo kits available in countries so that they can get used to the drive and check whether the drive is can be used for their application also. We have CT support commissioning, we have CT solution, CT extend, where you get our drive in your hands and you can get the support to commission the drive. You can get CT solutions as with the drive itself. You can have the extension of warranties to ensure you have your coverage, you have a higher coverage throughout your use of drive. So this is during your sales phase. You also have after sales services, which is the CT fix for repair, CT spares for spare parts, and CT prevent to ensure you have continuous production in your plant also. So we provide our services throughout all phases when working with our drives. So you can see everything is covered. So we believe that a great product is complemented with great support from the manufacturer. So with these services made available to you, you can optimize the drive's performance to meet and even exceed end user expectations. So you have drive needs, you have the drive specialist with the best service team here to help. Thank you.
Thanks, Satya. I think the services part of our business is something that's growing very quickly, and I was just wondering from you, what you're doing this a lot. What do you see as the kind of the fastest move? Or what's the most? What are we seeing the most out of in the moment in terms of a trend for service products?
Okay, we are seeing trends on the race. People are looking for their drives to be maintained periodically, and this is to ensure they have an uninterrupted production line. So that's where we have the CT prevent to help them out. So instead of going to like trying to find a service team outside or third-party guys, they come to us and get us because we know our drives better. We know our cycle, drive cycle, life cycle, and all that. So they want us to do maintenance for them. And we also, with the current situation, they also seek to repair drives, maybe older versions of the drive, older generation drive. They seek to repair if it's faulty because it's more economical with the current situation, given that we are not very sure what's going to happen to the economy. So they would want to save on, instead of buying a whole new drive, they are looking to repair the drives and so on.
Yeah, good. I think coming from Australia, we're seeing increases for sure in that kind of thing, and also for CT solutions. So I think it's a very important part of our business. Thanks, Satya.
Yeah, sure.